Most people overcomplicate making money, chasing business ideas that take huge startup costs, long hours, and endless risks. But the truth is this: there's a simple, proven business model that's already creating full-time income for people who still work full-time jobs, and it's called Turo. My name is Trevor Calais, former military veteran. I'm the founder of Let's Go Hustle, where we've helped over 10,000 service members boost their benefits, turn their credit into capital, and their capital into cash flow with a done-for-you system that creates you an additional 5 to 10K per month in extra income. I personally own over 40 vehicles that I never get to see. Why? Because I've automated and delegated every part of the process, and each one of those vehicles bring me an additional 1 to 3,000 per car per month. The best part, anybody can do the exact same thing if they follow the systems and the strategies that we provide. And today, drum roll, check me out. Look, I'm breaking down why Turo is one of the easiest side hustles to start and scale, why it's perfect for people who love cars, and why it's the ultimate path for military members, veterans, and 9-to-5 workers who just need more income in this stressful economy. Most people think this: to make more money, I need to get another job or work longer hours. It's not only crazy to think that, it's what's keeping people trapped in the rat race. Because here's the reality: time is limited, inflation is rising, and your paycheck won't double just because you're working harder. You don't need another job. You need another income stream, one that doesn't steal your time, but multiplies it. That's exactly what rental cars on the Turo platform will do. Think about it like this: your car isn't just transportation, it's a business asset. Your car is already costing you money every month, but when you list that same car on Turo, it becomes an income producing machine. Turo is the largest car sharing platform in the world. Millions of users book cars every single day, from economy vehicles to dream cars, and people just like you are turning that traffic into thousands of dollars in profits. This is not theory, it's proven. Here's why this business model works so well. Simple startup, right? You don't need to reinvent anything. You already have the product, which is your vehicle. All you need to do is list it. It has built-in marketing. Turo already has millions of users searching for cars every single day. You're plugging into a platform that handles traffic and exposure for you. It's super flexible and has crazy scalability, right? You can start with one car, get consistent bookings, use that income to get you a second car, and before long, you've got a fleet of vehicles. It can literally give you the freedom to drive your dream car for absolutely free. When you own the vehicle, you can rent it out, let it pay itself off, and still enjoy it when it's available. You're literally driving your dream car for free while you're getting paid for it. And one of the biggest things, it's a perfect fit for busy people, right? Whether you're active duty military, working a 9-to-5, or balancing family life, Turo works around your schedule. You don't have to quit your job just to start. And then let's not forget about the predictable monthly income, right? Each vehicle can bring in 1 to 3,000 per month. That means just a few cars can replace or supplement your current income entirely. But here's where most people go wrong, right? They think they need luxury cars just to make money. You don't. Economy cars rent every single day. They think it's too competitive. It's not. Demand keeps growing year after year. They overthink it and they never get to start, right? Analysis will kill execution every single time. They try to manage everything manually instead of using automations, right? Turo is easy, but only if you treat it like a business, not a hobby. Listen to me. Cars aren't liabilities when they produce income. They become assets. Most people drive cars that drain their bank accounts. Entrepreneurs drive cars that fund their bank accounts. The beauty of Turo is that it bridges both worlds, passion and profit. If you love vehicles, the business lets you turn that love into cash flow, not just a car note. And with automations, look, you can make this thing 100% passive over time. When I first got started, I didn't know this business model even existed. I was working, paying bills, and my cars were sitting in the driveway costing me money. Once I learned how to fix my credit, access funding, and acquire multiple vehicles, that's when everything changed. I listed them on Turo, and the first few started paying me 1 to 3,000 each month. But vehicles are the easiest thing to scale, so I scaled super fast. Now with over 40 vehicles that I fully own, it's fully automated, and every one of them works for me, not the other way around. That's the power of this model, scalable and built for freedom. Yo, what's going on? It's Trevor Calais, CEO and founder of Let's Go Hustle, and I appreciate you for tuning into this video. But look, information without action is worthless. We have the blueprint. All you have to do is follow it. Right now is your time to execute. Text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035, and I will personally reach back to you, and we can see if we can get you qualified for any of our services. And if you're interested in anything that my business offers, don't wait. Take action now. So let me ask you, are you still letting your car sit while you struggle to keep up with your bills and inflation? Are you honestly still thinking the only way to make more money is to work harder for someone else? Because the truth is this business model can literally change your life. It's proven, it's scalable, and it works for anyone who's ready to take action. Turo is the gateway, but what you do with it is what changes your financial future forever. So as you're watching this video right now, if you knew you could make $1,000 to $3,000 a month per vehicle without clocking in, wouldn't it make sense to learn how to set it up the right way? Wouldn't it actually make sense to work with someone who's already built the system, scaled the fleet, and can show you exactly how to do it? Because if it does, I want you to text me the word YouTube to 239-329-0035. And from there, we'll figure out the best way for you to start building income from your own vehicles. Because look, I'll be honest with you. At the end of the day, it's time for your car to start paying you and stop charging you. You have the tools, I have the information. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and ask me any question you want in the comments below. Peace.